Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mortal Kombat 1 like a pro. First, focus on mastering the fundamental mechanics. This includes precise movement, effective blocking, and understanding your basic attack strings. Learning frame data is crucial. It helps you know when your attacks are safe and when you can punish your opponent. Consistently converting simple hits into damaging combos is a cornerstone of high-level play, so practice those basic sequences until they are second nature. Next, elevate your game with advanced combat techniques. Practice intricate combo strings that incorporate special move cancels, and cameo assists to maximize damage output. Developing reliable anti-air strategies is essential to control the neutral game and punish opponents who jump excessively. Also, remember to utilize environmental interactions and stage hazards, which can add significant extra damage or create advantageous situations during a match. Understanding character and cameo synergy is vital for professional play. Choose a main character and a cameo fighter whose abilities complement each other, creating powerful combinations. Explore the unique strengths and weaknesses of various character and cameo pairings to develop diverse strategies. Always be ready to adapt your playstyle based on your opponent's chosen character and cameo, as this flexibility can give you a significant edge in battle. Finally, a professional mindset and consistent practice are key. Dedicate regular practice sessions to refine your execution and build strong muscle memory for your combos and defensive options. Critically analyze your replays to identify mistakes and improve your decision-making in various matchup scenarios. Staying calm under pressure and adapting your strategy on the fly during intense fights will significantly increase your win rate.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.